Hey friends, if you wish to convert a table to picture in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now let us see. Click on insert, select table, select a certain length of the table. Are you able to take its screenshot? No, you will not be able to take its screenshot. Let us check the home tab or insert tab or draw tab or design tab. There's no way to take a screenshot. So there are other methods that you could use, but I'll give you a better method. Use any screenshot tool, a third party tool, or even the sniping tool. Okay, let us use the sniping tool. Okay, sniping tool. Okay, take the sniping tool, click on new, and then take a screenshot of this table. Okay, and now the screenshot is already here. Oh, wait, and all you need to do is go to the insert tab, and then you'll find the option for screenshots, pictures, and okay, we'll just copy it here. Okay, now here's the difference between this one and the table. This table is editable. Okay, people don't like the tables to be edited, and this is a screenshot of the table. It is a picture. You cannot edit this table. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.